The world in slow motion can be so mind-blowing. What happens when you slow down a moment 1,000 times? In slow motion, our vision is introduced to a completely new dimension. This microscopic dimension of time presents us with a world of analyzed wonder. Like dropping this balloon over the man's head. At the moment of the balloon's fall, the moment the balloon falls, the powerful tension covers the man's entire head. I didn't realize the balloon would change so dramatically in slow motion, and then kick the water-filled balloon away. At the moment of contact between his foot and the balloon's shape changed dramatically. The water splashed in all directions due to the force. So if a balloon filled with water is pierced in the water, what interesting phenomenon will happen? At the moment of puncturing the balloon, the water balloon looks like a human head wearing sunglasses. If you don't slow down the picture, it's hard to see this effect. There are a lot of slow motion moments. For example, this man was hit in the face by a soccer ball. But at 1,000 frames per second, the moment the soccer ball hits his face is captured at high speed. The force of the impact shifted the man's entire facial features. And this tennis racket covered in powder. When a tennis ball is thrown at the racket, normally you can only see some powder flying up. But in slow motion, you can see the moment the tennis ball touches the racket. The powder is completely separated from the racket, creating a unique visual impact. And then you can see the next match being lit. In slow motion, when friction ignites the match head, the potassium chloride is instantly decomposed. Without the slow motion camera, it's hard to see such a shocking scene. It's true that slow motion can open up new worlds.